All right, Ron, what do we have to keep our well warm this winter?
We have ourselves a little box, a little well house, a little metal roof over top, and 2 inches of rigid insulation to try to maintain any kind of heat. And we have a little heat lamp in there that we can turn on when it gets really cold, and we have the pipes are insulated, the PVC pipes are insulated. I think that's the goal, it's just the PVC pipes are the things that burst.
So far our well house is working really, really well. It was a really quick, cheap build. A lot of it, we even used some leftover metal from our shed. Obviously, I still haven't painted it. It's just been kind of cold and wet a lot. So once I get it painted, I'll put a handle on here. We usually just keep something in front of it to keep it from blowing open for now. So we kind of wanted to see how our heat lamp was working and our well house. So we put a temperature monitor in here so we can see inside what the temperature is. It's staying about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than whatever it is. So for example, right now it says it's 43 in here, which I did just open the door and bring the temperature monitor outside. So it's adjusting a little bit. But in general, we've noticed that it stays about 10 to 15 degrees warmer in here than the outside temperature. So if we have a below freezing night in the 20s, it's staying in the 30s and 40s in here. Now, if we get really, really cold nights that are getting down in the teens and single digits, that might change, and we're gonna keep an eye on it. But here in East Tennessee, that doesn't happen very often. We're far enough south that it would be very rare for us to get below 0 or single digits freezing nights. It can happen, and we'll keep an eye on it just to watch our PVC pipes and everything in here, but we'll see how it goes. We did consider when we built our shed putting our well kind of inside the corner of the shed to protect it. However, with this type of well, if you ever need to replace the pump, the whole truck has to come in and has to go and drill down inside of it, and you have to pull the truck up right beside it, which would be a big problem if it was inside this structure. So we decided to do a simpler, separate well house structure where we could just take this off if we needed to. I mean, it'd be a little bit of work, but nothing like if it were in a big structure like our shed over here.